Okay. Good morning. Good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to talk maxima and minima chapter for CET. So, how to find the maximum and minimum values? So, in theory classes we studied a lot of points and with graphs, everything. Okay, I will take the firstly problem. If x is real, then the minimum value of x square minus x plus 17 is. So, what is the minimum value of x square minus 8x plus 17? So, to find out minimum value, we have the number of methods. So, we should follow the first method. Using first derivative test, we can find out maxima and minimum value of any function. What is the first derivative of maxima and minima? If, firstly we take here, let f of x be a differentiable function at x is equal to a. For a differentiable function at x is equal to a, if sin of f dash of x changes from positive to negative, sin of first derivative changes from positive to negative, then f has maximum at x is equal to a. F of a is called maximum value of f of x, and a comma f of a is called point of maximum, that is. Okay, this is the f of maximum value concept. Next, what is the minimum? If sin of f dash of x changes from negative to positive at x is equal to a, then f of x has minimum at x is equal to a. F of a is called minimum value of f of x. F of a is called minimum value of f of x at x equal to a. If sign does not change, then f of x is, sin of f dash of x does not change, then f of x has neither maximum nor minimum. So, all of remember that, let f of x is a differentiable function at x equal to a. If sin of f dash of x changes from positive to negative, then f has maximum at x equal to a. F of a is called maximum value. If sin of f dash of x changes from negative to positive at x equal to a, then neighborhoods only, at x equal neighborhood of a only, then x has minimum at x equal to a. If sin of f dash of x does not change at neighborhood of a, then f has neither maximum nor minimum. And next thing, what is the second derivative test? Using second derivative test also, we can find out maxima and minima concepts. So, here take for a function f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. Here how to define maximum value or local maximum? If f dash of x is equal to 0 and f double dash of x is less than 0 at x equal to a, then f has maximum at x equal to a. And f of a is called maximum value of f of x. Next, if f dash of x is equal to 0 and f double dash of x is greater than 0 at x equal to a, then f has minimum at x is equal to a. F of a is called here minimum value of f of x. Third one, if f dash of x equal to 0 and f double dash of x is equal to 0, second derivative this is, at x equal to a, then f has neither maximum nor minimum. And one more thing, last video we already discussed the critical point or turning point or stationary point. What is the stationary point? If f dash of x is equal to 0 at x equal to a, this is called stationary condition. If first derivative is equal to 0, that is called stationary condition. And f of a is called stationary value. A comma f of a is called stationary point or critical point, or it is also called turning point. This is the using first derivative test, using second derivative test, we can find out local maximum or local minimum of f of x at x is equal to a. We can use any method, and some more shortcuts also there here. With the help of shortcuts, we can solve the problems. And next thing, what is the absolute maximum? It is also called maximum or also global maximum. Maximum of maximum is value is called maximum of maximum is called absolute maximum or global maximum or maximum value. What is the absolute minimum or global minimum or minimum value, least value? How to say that? Minimum of minimum value. Minimum of minimum in the interval a comma b, that is called absolute minimum or global minimum or minima. So this is the whole concept theory of maximum and minimum. Now we are going to solve problem. If x is real, then what is the minimum value of x square minus 8x plus 17? So I would have follow first method here. The first method is using first derivative test. I say that all methods I will give here. So to find the minimum values, let us take f of x is equal to, all of listen with more attention, with carefully you remember methods. So I will follow the first derivative test method. I solve the questions in all methods. X square minus 8x plus 17, this is the problem. So this first derivative test, we follow the first derivative test method. So do it easily. Find the derivative. F dash of x is equal to 2x minus 8. Then put f dash of x is equal to 0, stationary. Put f dash of x equal to 0. 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, we have to observe whether the function, that means sin of f dash of x, check the sin of f dash of x. So let us take number line like this. This is the 4. So we have to take neighborhoods of 4 only. Neighborhoods means we know that आस-पास numbers only, beside numbers, neighbors. So take the numerically also, no problem. So what is the sign of f dash of x? X is equal to 4, that means neighborhood of 4, before number I take the preceding number is 3. 3 substitute here. 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8, that is equal to minus 2, which is less than 0. So this is negative. Sign of f dash of x at neighborhood of 4 is negative. And next number is 4, next number is 5. 5 substitute that, it becomes what? It becomes 5 2 is 10, 10 minus 8 2, this becomes positive. So you observe what? At neighborhoods of 4, sign of f dash of x changes from negative to positive. So simply we can say that sign of f dash of x changes from negative to positive. Sign of f dash of x changes from negative to positive. Clear? So negative to positive means which value does? So at x equal to 4, what value attains here? It has, f of x has minimum. F of x has minimum at x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, we got the minimum value. So what is the minimum? It has minimum, we decide, it attains only minimum. So what is the minimum value? So minimum value is equal to, finally, minimum value is equal to nothing but f of 4 only, x, f of x. Substitute in the function, this is equal to 16 minus 32 plus 17. This is equal to 1. 17 plus 16, that is 33, okay, minus 32 is equal to 1. Therefore, minimum value of this function is 1 only. So this is the derivative test. If sign of f dash of x changes from positive to negative, what do you call? It has maximum at x equal to 4. Okay, maximum value equal to f of a, that is finally substitute here. Okay, if you want second derivative test method, so using second derivative test, how to I calculate? Using second derivative test, I follow the second method. You can use in exam any method. We do not follow particular method. We need to find value only in entrance point of view. For sake of understanding, I have to give many methods. You should learn and remember using second derivative test. Second derivative test. So how to find out? Okay, now follow. Problem is, take the function f of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus 17. Clear? Now first derivative find out, that is 2x minus 8. Clear? Now second derivative also find out, f double dash of x is equal to 2. Follow the next condition, stationary. Put f dash of x is equal to 0. Now we get x is equal to 4. Okay. At x is equal to 4, in this case, we do not follow the neighborhoods. But in the first derivative, take the neighborhood of a number. Neighborhood of x equal to a. At x is equal to 4, we should check the sign of second derivative here. So what is the second derivative? F double dash, that is f double dash of 4 also will be what? 2, which is greater than 0. Okay, second derivative is greater than 0. If second derivative is greater than 0, then f has minimum at x is equal to a. Then f has minimum at x equal to a. Therefore, f of x has minimum at x is equal to 4. Concluded value. Finally, what is the minimum value? So, minimum value is equal to f of 4. Already we proved answer 1. Okay. Would you get same answers? Yes. If you want third method, that is you know very well. Third method is what? With the help of quadratic form. So observe that whenever you see the quadratic form, there are two types. There exist two methods. See here all of you. I take the quadratic form ax square plus bx plus c. This is the f of x. Whenever you see the quadratic form, there two conditions exist, two types. If one is a greater than 0, one is a less than 0. A is what? Coefficient of x square. If a greater than 0, maximum value always infinity. Maximum is what? Always infinity number, undefined. Minimum value, remember, 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. This is if a greater than 0 model. If coefficient of x square is less than 0, so what is the minimum in this case? Minimum is equal to always infinity, maximum is equal to 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. All of you remember this method. You can get minimum value and maximum value. So direct values we are getting here. To find the maximum and minimum, whenever you see the quadratic form, two cases follow, two types. If a greater than 0, maximum is always infinity, minimum is 4ac minus b square by 4a. If a is less than 0, minimum is infinity, maximum is 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is the time saving result method, TSR. Without help of first derivative test, second derivative test, we can do it answer. See here, minimum value is equal to, here observe what? A is greater than 0 in this case. So directly minimum value is equal to, we get 4ac, 4 into 1 into c value 17 minus b square. What is the b value? Minus 8, that becomes whole square 64 divided by 4 into a is 1. This is equal to 17 4 68 minus 64 upon 4. 68 minus 64, 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. We get within short period. It is taking only 10 seconds or 1 second. Or 10 seconds enough here. Instead of 1 minute, with the help of 10 seconds, we can do it answer. Within shortly we can do it. So like we are finding the maximum and minimum value of any function. So whenever quadratic form is given, this is the method only, is shortcut method. But first derivative test, second derivative test is applicable in all cases, all type of functions. Any function is given, we can find out maximum and minimum values of any function using first derivative test, second derivative test. All of you keep in your mind. Okay, shall we go this model problems one more? Okay, some more questions we will explain, that is, see here. Find the maximum or minimum values of. So using first derivative test or second derivative test, we can find out. I will give some textbook problems. Find the maximum and minimum values of the first question. Find the maximum or minimum values of first one 5x square minus 8x plus 14. Second problem minus 3x square plus 5x plus 21. Okay. After this we are going to next model. 5x square minus 8x plus 14. Shall we go first derivative test? Can you do it like this? Or you practice first derivative test to second derivative test. Now I am going to entrance point of view directly TSR method. So in this equation a is greater than 0. Okay. Now it has, observe that maximum is infinity. So it has only minimum values. So minimum values to find out. So x is equal to formula. So minimum value formula directly. Minimum value is equal to 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. All of you remember, we can easily get answer within 10 seconds. 4 into a value is 5, c value 14 minus b square minus 8 whole square value 64 divided by 4 into 5. In all the terms, we are observing here 4 common. So 4 cancelled here 16 times. That is equal to 14 5 is 70 minus 16 upon 5. This is equal to 54 divided by 5 is the minimum value of this problem. Okay, very simple. Within 10 seconds we can solve the questions. If you see the second question, the second problem, it is also observing, it looks like a quadratic form, but a is what? Negative. If a is less than 0, does it has minimum? No, that is minus infinity. So here minimum is minus infinity, remember, negative value, minus infinity. And does it has maximum? Yes. What is the maximum value formula in this case? Formula will be same. So maximum value is equal to 4ac minus b square upon 4a. This is equal to 4 into a value in this case minus 3 into c value 21 minus b square 5 square value 25 upon 4 into a value minus 3. This is equal to, so this value becomes 21 3 is 63, 63 into 4 minus 4 3 is 12, 2 1 carry, 6 into 4 24 plus 1 25, 2 minus 252 minus 25 divided by minus 12. This is equal to minus what? So 5 plus becomes what? Minus minus cancelled here. Okay, whatever it is. 277 divided by 12 minus minus cancelled. What is the maximum value? 277 upon 12 is the answer. Clear this one? So like we are doing the maximum or minimum values of any quadratic form. Whenever you see the quadratic form, you observe the only two conditions. If a greater than 0, maximum is infinity, minimum is 4ac minus b square by 4a. If a is less than 0, minimum is minus infinity, maximum is 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. Are you following? Okay. If you feel any difficulty in this method, you follow the either first derivative test or second derivative test. In theory, we used this method. Now I am going to the next concept. Whenever you see the cubic equation forms, how to find the maximum and minimum values. So using first derivative test, second derivative test, firstly I would have say that hereafter we follow the shortcut method. I take the questions. See the problems here. The question is, the function, question form, the function y is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8 has minimum at x is equal to okay. So observe that it is called cubic equation form, cubic function. Last problem what? Quadratic form completed. Whenever you see the cubic equation form, how to find the maximum and minimum? Using first derivative test or second derivative test. So just now I completed first derivative test, second derivative test. Okay, once again I follow one method only. Second derivative is easy always. So I follow second derivative test here. So first derivative test also easy. Second derivative test I will give here. So what is the function y, meaning f of x? F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative we know that very well. F dash of x is equal to 3x square into 2, 6x square minus 6x minus 12. Taking 6 common, okay, leave it, no problem also. If you want, taking common, x square minus x minus 2. Now using second derivative is equal to 6 into 2x minus 1. We got first derivative and second derivative. Then stationary condition. Put f dash of x is equal to 0. That means x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. 6 will be 0 here. Sending on this side 0 by 6, 0. Factorization. You know very well. So factors than me you know very well, no? So what are the factors here? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Is it right? Do we get answer? X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Because factors. X minus 1 into x plus 2. Okay? See that all of you? X minus 1, x plus 2. Can you get the same answer? No. X minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to x plus 1, x minus 2, observe that, plus 2x minus plus x, minus 2x plus x, minus 2. Okay, factorization method you know very well, do it like this, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. Now we have to check sign of second derivative. At x is equal to minus 1, f double dash of minus 1. So what is the second derivative? This is only. If you substitute x is equal to minus 1, x value ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಬೇಕು minus 1. If I substitute x equal to minus 1, it becomes 6 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 18 is less than 0. If second derivative is less than 0, what do you call? Which value does it attains? Does it attain which value? It has maximum. Therefore, f of x has maximum value at x is equal to minus 1. But we don't want this value. We want which one? Minimum. Where it has minimum, check out. At x is equal to 2, f double dash of 2 is equal to 6 into, substitute here, 2 2 is 4 minus 1 3. This is equal to 18, which is greater than 0. If second derivative is greater than 0, then f of x has minimum. F of x has minimum at x is equal to 2. But what is asking? At what value of x it has minimum? Okay, na? At x is equal to minimum. But minimum value. Okay. So minimum value if you want, what to do? It has a minimum at x is equal to 2. Minimum value is equal to what? F of 2. Substitute here. Maximum value equal to what? F of minus 1. Substitute here. So asking only at what value of x it attains minimum. So using second derivative test, we got it answer. Okay, one more method if you want, time saving result. Whenever you see the quadratic form, we have the two types. Whenever you see the cubic equation form, how to find the maximum value, minimum value. So let us take f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Is it a cubic form of cubic function? Yes, it is a polynomial of cubic. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So here find the x value. Roots formula we know that, Sridhar's formula we know that, our brother is there, most, okay na, welcome person. So all of you know that, what is Sridhar's formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here for cubic form I am just changing the number only. Instead of 2ac, b square minus 4ac, that is 3ac I am taking. Minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here 3ac by 3a, cubic form only just I am taking. Now find out here. So in this case, what are the a, b, c values in this problem? A is equal to what? 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 12, d we don't have, we do not use it here, okay na? So substitute a, b, c only. So x is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square 9 minus 3 into a value is 2, c value minus 12 divided by 3a, 3 to the 6. This is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 plus 3 to the 6, 6 12, 72 divided by 6. This is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 81, that is 9 upon 6. This is equal to 3 plus 9 by 6, 3 minus 9 by 6. This is equal to, if I take 3 minus 9 by 6, 3 plus 9 by 6, this is minus 1, this is 2. So we got x is equal to minus 1 comma 2. So directly we are getting these values, x is equal to minus 1, 2. So without applying differentiation. Hereafter, at what value of x it has a maximum and minimum without checking like this. So directly, so which is the lower value, which is lower at that value f of x has maximum. So which value is lower between these two numbers? So maximum, f of x has maximum, f has maximum at x is equal to lower number minus 1. Which is more value? There f of x has minimum at x is equal to 2. Okay, would you get same answers? Yes, this is the procedure to find out the maximum and minimum of cubic equation. So in this case, this is the TSR method, time saving result. Maximum within 10 seconds you can solve the questions by practicing. You find out the number of questions like this. Find the maximum and minimum values of any cubic equation form. I hope that you may understand this method also. First derivative test or second derivative test theory form. It is little bit taking time to reduce, that means to avoid these methods. We have to use TSR methods, entrance point of view. Clear? Okay, now we are going to the problems. Some more questions we have to solve here. Are you following cubic form? Then next one, reciprocal forms, third method number 3, third method given. Find the minimum value of questions method here, third method. Type here, type 3 this is, not method here, type. First type, quadratic form. Second type, cubic form. Third one, reciprocal form. Reciprocal form. So whenever you observe the reciprocal form in the question, to find the maximum and minimum value, we have to use sequence and series concept. Arithmetic mean always greater than or equal to geometric mean. We know all of you this result. What is the meaning of arithmetic mean? A plus sum of two numbers by 2 average is greater than or equal to square root of AB, geometric mean. Okay, with the help of this we can find out maximum or minimum values of reciprocal forms. Questions are asking like this. Find the minimum value of x plus 1 divided by x, where x is greater than 0. What is the minimum value of this function? So always by observing the problem, whether the reciprocal terms are not, observing all given terms, whether the given terms are reciprocal or not. If there are reciprocal terms, so we should follow this method. So let us take a is equal to x like this, b is equal to 1 upon x, a is equal to x, b is equal to 1 upon x. Since we know the value, arithmetic mean always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Sum of two numbers by 2. X plus 1 upon x divided by 2 is greater than or equal to square root of x into 1 upon x. X here cancelled. X plus 1 upon x is greater than or equal to 2 root 1, 2. This is nothing but f of x is greater than or equal to 2. So does it has a maximum value? No, it is undefined. Therefore, the minimum value of f of x is equal to minimum value of x plus 1 divided by x is 2. Like we solve the number of questions. In this model, if you take the remember TSR, what is the minimum value of Ax plus b divided by x is always 2 into square root of AB. One more direct result. Minimum value of Ax plus b divided by x is 2 root AB. So without using also this condition, like we can easily remember reciprocals. You observe that whenever you see the reciprocal terms without remembering any point, using arithmetic mean, geometric mean relation, we know that AM is always more than geometric mean. With the help of this, we can find out minimum value, and maximum is undefined. Not only like this, you can remember one more result also here. What is the minimum value of A into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x? Are you okay? Because e raised to x reciprocal term is e raised to minus x. That is 2 into square root of AB only. So method is like this, you remember that. Trigonometric forms also there. Some textbook questions I will give that. Find the minimum value of, find the next question. Find the minimum value of f of x is equal to 27 tan square theta plus 3 cot square theta is. So question is given like this. Before going to solve the problem in maxima and minima, what type of method is given? Related to which method? Is it quadratic form? Is it cubic form? Is it reciprocal form? Is it word problems? Like we have to think first thing. Then we can easily answer that. Observing, we observe what? Tan and cot. What do you say that? Aren't they reciprocal terms? Yes. These are always tan reciprocal is cot. So using this method. So let us take A is equal to 27 tan square theta, B is equal to 3 cot square theta. Hereafter, to determine minimum value of this one, we have to use arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So it means sum of two numbers, 27 tan square theta plus 3 cot square theta upon 2, which is greater than or equal to square root of AB. A is what? 27 tan square theta into 3 cot square theta. Simplify. This is nothing but what? Given function f of x, let us take f of theta is greater than or equal to cross multiplying 2 into square root of 27 into 3, 81. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. So 2 root 81. This implies f of theta is greater than or equal to 2 into 9, that is 18. Therefore, the minimum value is equal to 18. What is the minimum value of this function? 18 is the answer. To rate AB formula, 2 into square root of AB, like you follow that either tan cot, sec, cos, cosec, sine, like the reciprocal forms are given, we should use arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Followed this one. This is the type number 3. Next we are going to some general problems also take. Then after we are going to odd problems. Maximum minimum chapter is very very important. All of you solve that. Some general questions now I will give that. The question is the stationary value of f of x is equal to log x divided by x is. What is the stationary value? We know that f of a is called stationary value. Put f dash of x equal, what is the stationary condition? First derivative will be 0. Then f of a is called stationary value. So first derivative only find out. Take the function f of x is equal to log x divided by x. Calculate first derivative. Observe what? It looks like a u by v form. It is u by v form. Derivative of quotient rule. We know that. Square of the denominator. Okay. Denominator as it is into differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is into differentiation of denominator. This is equal to 1 minus